Since I can't do any firewood processing, I thought I would show you my mud hole. This is it. It is so muddy here and wet. It's just been pouring rain for 2 days. I ran out of logs, and even if I had logs, I couldn't work because everything is just a muddy, nasty mess right now. So I come into my shop because I'm going to look for some tools, and I find this. Ear for deer. It's spray foam. Why? The things I find laying around my shop. Today I dragged the little generator I was working on. I pulled that inside, and we're going to get that up on the bench, and we have one final task to do with it, and that's replace the defective fuel valve. So that's what we're going to work on today. What I've done is blocked it up so that it's tilted to the back. Now all the gasoline is going to run to the other end of the tank. I can get this out without having to drain the fuel tank. We have our new valve here, which looks pretty close to the old one. We'll see. Hopefully the threads are the same. So we'll pull the old fuel line off here. That's out of the way, sort of. Now we'll take our 14 millimeter. We will unthread. This is like a jam nut arrangement. And then the whole thing unthreads. Somebody put sealant or something around the threads. I don't believe that's necessary because it has a rubber gasket in here. So you don't really want to put thread sealant on that. Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe the surface where the gasket goes. Make sure that's nice and clean. Okay. So now we'll thread this back in. Put the new one in. And it appears that the threads are the same, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's see if I can get it to thread in one more turn. There we go. That should be good. Now we'll tighten the jam nut. Okay. We're now tight. We're going to put the fuel line back on. Fuel line is fine. I was just thinking if we had to replace it, we could, but it's this has seen so little usage that it doesn't need it. Let's retighten this. Now it's in the off position. I'm going to leave it in the off position for the moment. And we're going to get all the tools and stuff out of the way. Now we'll take the block out and set the generator flat again, so the gasoline will be pushing up against our little jam nut gasket. And we're not seeing any leaks, so that's good. We'll turn this on. No leaks. We'll crank this up for a minute and see what happens.
Five minutes later.
Okay, I think it's good. That's it. The generator is now finished. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later.